Hello friends, in this video we will see different commonly used variable types, um, their size and their format specifiers. So as shown on this board, you can see integer is 4 bytes and its range is this big and its format specifier is percentage %d. We are using integer in so many programs. In earlier videos you have seen use of integer, but same way you should know these commonly used data types, and they are like short integer, which is 2 byte, which is this big. Then there is a long integer, long integer. So when you reach beyond this particular size, if you are doing some arithmetic calculation or using which goes beyond this number, then you should move on to the long integer or long integer, and their size actually depend on the system. Same way, these are sign integer, means they start from negative large value to positive large value. So the moment we change this integer to unsigned integer, these two gets combined and we get all positive values in this particular range, and its format specifier is percentage %u. Same way we have unsigned long, whose format specifier is LU, and it is a very high positive value. The other important types are characters, unsigned characters, and these all are the complete numbers or characters. Same way we also need decimal numbers for arithmetic operation. So for that, in C language we have float double or long double, and these are the decimal digits which are followed by that particular number, and these are the format specifier. To keep this video short and simple, I am trying to define these data types at the beginning of the program, and then I want to print their default value. So when we are just declaring them and we are not assigning any default value to them, how does the system um, allocate some memory inside and allocate some value to that particular variable is given over here. So in this video I will just define these data types and I will just print them as is. How I am going to print is already displayed here, because in the program I will have to write this printf statement in single line. So here we go. This is how the program looks like. Okay, include stdio.h followed by our starting point of the program, which is like int main, opening closing, then opening curly braces, closing curly braces, return type 0. All the points are defined here with some different unique variable identifier here, and now I am printing them one by one. And once the statement is completed, I am closing the double quote and trying to print them. So let's run this program and see what is the default value allocated to these different variables. They are integer type, means complete numbers of different ranges. There are characters and there are floating point numbers as well, like decimal numbers in our simple language. So let's run this program. Yes, here you go. You see this thing. The default value of integer, currently it is this much. Short integer is this is the default value, and blah 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 for long. Unsigned integer and signed integer long value. Floating numbers have 0.0000. Then here also 0.000000, and yes, it is NaN. For long double it is NaN. So these are the commonly used data types which everyone should know, and that's why to show them in a single program, I think this is the best simple form. What you can do, try this with, try to identify their size and their maximum and minimum value. Okay, so that you can take as a assignment for you maybe. Okay, and try it yourself. Though it looks little simple and plain, it is very interesting. So try it yourself. Thank you.